How to find privacy policy on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find privacy policy on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now you can scroll down and you're gonna find privacy policy. Click on it. And this is it, guys. This is your TikTok privacy policy. For example, let's choose one of them, the type of personal data we use, and this is it. How we use your personal data. So you choose whatever you want and you can download this information if you want. Don't forget to subscribe if this video was helpful and like.